YouTube viewers. I want to give you a quick update, though it comes with a bit of disappointment on my end. When I started this project, I thought that once I reached the audio card cage drawers, I'd be about 90% done. Just clean 144 cards, move on to powering up the machine. However, while researching the various audio cards, I recently got my hands on the full service manual. As I browsed through its hundreds of pages, I discovered more basis boards. To clarify, what I've been calling backplane circuit boards are referred to as basis boards by the Swiss. So far, I've removed, cleaned, and recapped the 2 basis boards that were mounted on the back of the front card cage. But now I've learned there's 9 more basis boards hidden within the 3 card drawers. And as you might expect, they're packed with those axial caps along with many others. Like everything else in this machine, accessing these boards means a complete disassembly of the drawers. Although I briefly considered skipping them, my commitment to cleaning them from the top down means I can't avoid it. These boards are filthy from all the work I've done above them. So whether to your enjoyment or my frustration, the audio card cage drawers will have to be disassembled, cleaned, recapped, reassembled before I can even think about powering up the machine or diving into troubleshooting or testing. What this all means is there's going to be quite a few more videos in this restoration process. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.